In this video, you'll learn how to turn on DNSSEC in GoDaddy to help protect your domain and your visitors. DNSSEC, which stands for Domain Name System Security Extensions, adds a layer of digital signatures to your DNS records. This makes it much harder for attackers to tamper with your traffic or perform so-called man-in-the-middle attacks, where they secretly intercept or redirect visitors without anyone noticing. Before we begin, it's useful to know how GoDaddy handles DNSSEC on their platform. GoDaddy currently provides a limited number of free DNSSEC credits per account, which is usually enough if you're just securing a few domains. If you manage more than that, you may need to upgrade to their premium DNS offering to protect every domain in your portfolio. It's a good idea to review which domains are the most critical to your business or project and prioritize those if you're working within the free limit. Today, I'll show you how to turn on DNSSEC for a specific domain, step by step. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the main dashboard where all your registered domains are listed. If you manage multiple domains, take a moment to double check you're working on the correct one, especially if several names look similar. Next, select the domain you want to secure. Click directly on the domain name to open its domain settings page. This page is where you control ownership details, name servers, and other domain level options. Once you're here, you're just a few clicks away from enabling DNSSEC. Now you'll need to access the DNS settings for this domain. Look along the top menu or navigation area for the DNS tab. Go ahead and click on it. This brings you into the DNS management section where you can see your existing records such as A records, CNAMEs, and MX records. Within this DNS area, find the DNSSEC option. Depending on GoDaddy's current layout, it might appear as a separate subtab, a section heading, or a button labeled DNSSEC. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down the page slowly. It's often grouped near advanced DNS features rather than at the very top. Once you've located the DNSSEC section, you're ready to turn it on. You should see a button that says Turn on DNSSEC. Click that button. GoDaddy will handle the technical details behind the scenes, including creating the necessary cryptographic records and applying them to your domain's DNS. After enabling, give the system some time to update. DNS changes don't always take effect instantly across the internet, so be patient while the new settings propagate. If you ever change name servers or switch DNS providers in the future, remember to revisit this area and verify that DNSSEC is still correctly enabled. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on DNSSEC in GoDaddy and added an important layer of security to your domain's DNS.